What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions of what's going on in the car community on YouTube. The no bullshit transparency channel where I don't try and fluff things up or try and give you clickbait titles and all that crap. So if you like that kind of stuff, guys, do check out my other videos, get involved, smash the subscribe button, comment below because I do bring up your comments every Sunday on the channel as well. So on today's episode, not going to be too much of a long one, just going to be covering DDE. We're going to be covering TJ Hunt, Tavarish and Stradman. All the big ones. Just said I just cover them because of there's a few questions I have for you guys about these particular videos. So we're going to kick it off with Tavarish. That's going to be probably the main one I want to kick off with. Obviously he's back regularly posting, thank God, and he has decided what he's going to do with the F355 build. And so question to you guys: if you've watched the video, what do you think of his decision to turn it into an F355 Aperta and wide arch it? I get why he's doing it, but I'm not happy he's doing it. Now, this is just my own thoughts and opinions, guys. You don't have to agree with it or not in the comments below. It's up to you. That's what we're here to do, to discuss. But I am not happy one bit that he's doing this. I just feel like, look, DD have done it. I get other channels aren't really doing it, but I'm not the biggest Aperta lover. I get probably why he's doing it. I just have a feeling that he's been talking to DDE, found out what DDE probably spent on their build and what was kind of done. At the end of the day, look at it this way as a financial point of view. When DDE did their Aperta, how much did they buy the car for? I think they bought the Huracan for around in the high 200s, maybe. I can't remember. And whatever amount of money they put into it. So we'll just say all in, for example's sake, DD put it's 500,000 all in. They have a 101 Lamborghini that nobody else has, and if they were to sell that tomorrow, I'm presuming at a guess, I don't know if you want to correct me in the comments below, that they could probably maybe get $1 million for that car, maybe 800,000. I don't know, I'm just guessing, but they're going to get a massive profit on it. And I feel like Tavarish probably looks at this as well, going, I can make a 101 car here, and if I was to sell it on, I would make a profit as well. I just don't hope this turns into a trend with other car YouTubers doing more Aperta builds. Obviously we get to see this as more in depth and what he has to do to get it done, and he's putting a rotary in it with a sequential gearbox, which is going to be insane. But I would rather of him just made it a roadster and wide bodied it, and I would have loved that. But making it into a Aperta, I'm not happy, guys. That's just me. But it'd still be a cool build to see, to check it out. And I'm just curious about your thoughts and opinions. What do you think of Tavarish going down this route with the Ferrari? Because I'm still going to watch it, guys. At the end of the day, I don't give a fuck. I'm still going to be. Because I love his channel, so it's just going to be interesting to see what things he comes into, like the amount of issues he's going to have trying to get it done. But I just hope this is the last channel that does these Aperta builds, because that's just me. Next up, guys, is going to be DD. DD's latest video. For me, I feel personally it was fucking clickbait. Good old Damon with his clickbait. Genius clickbait, may I add, because let's be real here. That SF90, I think he said it was delivered. It's the way he titled it. I wasn't too happy about the way he titled it. He basically titled it "A New Ferrari Hypercar Got Delivered," as in, Now, I wonder, is he hinting that DDE could possibly get an SF90? I wouldn't be surprised if they didn't get one. I feel like they should get one for their channel. I don't know if there's any other car YouTubers out there that have an SF90. I love SF90s. If you've checked out my other video about the 765 LT versus the SF90. But I'm annoyed that the way he clickbait titled it, because he could just put in, first SF90 seen out in the wild. like literally the whole, it was just him going from Kelowna to Vancouver. He saw an SF90 and that's it. You know, it just annoys me. I will never clickbait. I fucking hate clickbaiting. It's just a pet peeve of mine. I know that's the way YouTube works. You gotta fake it till you make it. Clickbait your way to the top. That's just the way it is. But I just can't do that. And as you can tell by my titles, they're fucking terrible as well. So but you know, let me know in the comments below, guys. Do you want to see the get a SF90 for the channel? Would you like them to see it and modify it? I would. I don't know about you, but yeah, I just thought I'd cover that as well. Next up is going to be Stradman. We're going to cover Stradman. Just his latest video was him buying a new car. Well, he ended up buying a Tesla Model 3 just for him and Oscar. Now he probably needed, because of the way Oscar was just kind of getting, I think, afraid of the exhaust systems on the car. But yeah, Tesla's Model 3, I don't know, does anybody out there have one? What are they like? I haven't seen that many around Ireland myself. Would I buy one? I don't know. I would probably the Model S if I was going to get a Tesla, but the Model 3s are supposed to be fairly quick as well. I wonder, yeah, I would love to see one fully modified. That'd be pretty cool. He'll probably wrap it purple, will he? I hope he doesn't, but he probably will. But yeah, I mean, like, if he's going to throw on alloy wheels on it or rims, maybe a kit. I don't know if you can get much kits for those cars, or is he just going to leave a stock? I'm not too sure. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Do you want to see Stradman modify the Model 3 or not? I don't know. I wouldn't mind if he did. It'd be cool to see what way it would turn out. Last up on the list, guys, then is just going to be TJ Hunt. His latest video, or his last two videos. One was Kevin's E92 that he's been modifying, wide arching it, and the other one was he got his rear bumper for the Huracan, which is a wide arch bumper, and it is carbon. It is gorgeous. I cannot wait to finish this car. I wonder what rims he's going to go with. I'm presuming HRE as usual, deep dish. And he did ask the question, purple or British racing green, but a lighter or more brighter green. I would like to see him go, I suppose because purple's been done so much, I think probably a lighter green, but I would like a bit of a brighter green than the British racing green. I don't like that, it's too dark for me. I like bright colours, as you can see. But let me know in the comments below, what colour do you want him to spray the Huracan. The build is coming along great, can't wait to see it finished. It's going to look sick with that wide arch kit in it. The E92 that Kevin's doing, that car, the E92, it could be on my list of cars to modify for the project car of the channel. I'm thinking about it, but I don't know if I can afford one. Again, guys, we're saving for the project car. We're at €210, so keep watching and subscribing. That'd be the best way to help the channel grow. Yeah, I just said I'd ask you guys, what colour do you want TJ Hunt to spray the Huracan in the comments below. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks very much again if you've watched to the end. Do smash the subscribe button, get involved, comment, and like squad, please smash that like button. And until the next episode, guys, I will probably cover vehicle versions tomorrow in my tomorrow's vid, because his video is released dropping later. So until then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.